famous Muslim celebrities in the world. Bangladesh Saqib Khan, USA Bella Hadid, India Amir Khan, Turkey Solvay, Senegal Sadio Mane, India Sara Ali Khan, USA Hassan Minhaj, Turkey Injin Altan Bujastan, USA Mike Tyson, Dubai Hamdan bin Mohammed Al Maktoum, Canada Iman Bhelani, Pakistan Maya Ali, Pakistan Babur Azam, Afghanistan Muhammad Nabi, India Salman Khan, USA Ice Cube, Albania Dua Lipa, India Ya Rahman, Nigeria Hakim Olajuwon, Egypt Muhammad Salah, Indonesia Oka Antara, USA Muhammad Ali, Pakistan Malala Yousafzai, Bangladesh Sakibul Hasan, France Zinedine Zidane, Turkey Zidaine Budak, USA Shaquille O'Neal, India Saif Ali Khan, Iran Sohaila Aghdashloo, USA DJ Khalid, France Karim Benzema, Malaysia Nida Filja, France Paul Pogba, United Kingdom Riz Ahmed, India Shahrukh Khan, Indonesia Laudia Kantia Bila, United Kingdom Zayn Malik, Afghanistan Rashid Khan, Senegal Kabil, India Imran Hashmi, Germany Mesut Ozil, India Arman Malik, Netherlands Imran Khan, USA Rami Yusuf, Pakistan Atif Aslam, Morocco Ashraf Hakimi, USA Raycon, United Kingdom Sadiq Khan, Morocco French Montana, Egypt Omar Sharif. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.